Our brains are amazing. They are the most complex organs in our bodies, responsible for everything we do and experience. They control everything we do, from the simplest actions to the most complex thoughts. From thinking to feeling to moving, our brain is the command center. It processes information, makes decisions, and sends signals to the rest of our body. And the most incredible thing? Our brains are always changing, constantly adapting to new experiences and information. This ability to change and adapt is called neuroplasticity. It's what allows us to learn and grow throughout our lives. Neuroplasticity means our brains are not set in stone. They are dynamic and flexible, capable of forming new pathways. Like plastic, they can be molded and shaped by our experiences and actions. Throughout our lives, our brains form new connections. These connections are strengthened with practice and repetition. Old connections can even be rewired. This means we can change habits and learn new skills at any age. This happens every time we learn something new, experience something different, or challenge ourselves, or even just think about something in a new way. Pretty cool, right? Our brains are truly remarkable. This means we have the power to shape our own brains. By engaging in new activities and learning, we can enhance our brain's capabilities. By understanding neuroplasticity, we can unlock our brain's full potential and continue to grow and adapt throughout our lives. Imagine your brain as a network of roads. These roads are called neural pathways. When we learn something new, it's like paving a new road. The more we travel that road, the stronger and more familiar it becomes. But what happens if a road is blocked? Maybe there's an injury or a stroke. Neuroplasticity allows our brains to find detours. It's like our brain has its own construction crew. It can reroute traffic and create new pathways to bypass the damaged area. This rewiring takes time and effort, of course, but it shows just how adaptable our brains can be. Even after injury, our brains can find ways to heal and recover. Every experience we have, big or small, leaves its mark on our brains. When we learn a new language, our brain's language centers grow. When we practice a musical instrument, the areas responsible for motor control and coordination expand. Our brains thrive on challenges and novel experiences. By continually learning and exploring, we keep our brains flexible and adaptable. The amazing thing about neuroplasticity is that it's happening all the time, even without us realizing it. Our brains are constantly adapting and changing, forming new connections and pathways. Remember that time you learned a new recipe? It wasn't just about following steps, your brain was actively creating new neural pathways. Or mastered a new skill at work. Each repetition and practice session was your brain's way of strengthening those new connections. Those were examples of your brain rewiring itself in action. It's a continuous process that allows us to grow and adapt. There are also incredible stories of people who have recovered from brain injuries thanks to neuroplasticity. These stories are a testament to the brain's resilience and ability to heal. Stroke survivors have regained lost speech and motor function. Through persistent therapy and the brain's adaptability, they have made remarkable recoveries. People who were told they would never walk again have defied the odds and taken their first steps. Their journeys are inspiring examples of determination and the brain's potential. These stories remind us that our brains are capable of remarkable things. They show us that with effort and the right support, we can overcome significant challenges. We have the power to overcome challenges and achieve incredible feats of learning and adaptation. Our brains are truly our greatest allies in this journey of life. So why is neuroplasticity such a big deal? Because a flexible brain is a healthy brain. Neuroplasticity helps us learn new things throughout our lives, adapt to change more easily, improve our memory and cognitive function, recover from brain injuries more effectively, and boost our mood and overall well-being. When our brains are adaptable, we're better equipped to handle whatever life throws our way. We can embrace new challenges, learn from our experiences, and live life to the fullest. The beauty of neuroplasticity is that it's a lifelong journey, a continuous process of growth and adaptation. No matter our age, we can always learn new things, challenge ourselves, and keep our brains sharp. From young adults to the elderly, everyone can benefit from engaging their minds in new and exciting ways. Here are a few ways to embrace the power of neuroplasticity. Never stop learning. Whether it's through formal education or self-directed study, the key is to keep your mind active and curious. Take up a new hobby, learn a new language, or read about a subject you've always been curious about. Challenge yourself regularly. These activities not only enrich your life, but also stimulate your brain in unique ways. Try brain games, puzzles, or activities that require you to think outside the box. Stay physically active. Engaging in these activities can enhance your cognitive abilities and keep your mind agile. Exercise is not just good for our bodies, it's great for our brains too. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, which can help improve memory and cognitive function. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for brain health and allows our brains to consolidate memories and make new connections. Quality sleep is essential for maintaining mental clarity and overall well-being. Remember, our brains are like muscles. They need regular exercise and care to stay strong and healthy. The more we use them, the stronger they become. Engaging in complex tasks and problem-solving activities can significantly boost brain power. So let's embrace neuroplasticity and unlock our brain's limitless potential. By continuously challenging ourselves and nurturing our minds, we can achieve incredible things.